They call it liquid gold. An ancient secret whispered through generations. In a world that never stops, where stress is the new normal and our bodies are in a constant state of defense, we've become disconnected from the simple remedies that nature provides. We're tired, inflamed, and aging faster than we should. But what if the answer wasn't in a new pill, but in a ritual as old as time? What if 2 simple ingredients could turn back the clock on cellular damage? Welcome to GlowRoot Rituals. Today, we're not just making a drink. We're embarking on a 10-minute journey to understand the profound science behind ginger and honey and how it can transform your body from the inside out. To understand the solution, we must first understand the problem: chronic inflammation. Think of it as a slow-burning fire inside your body, fueled by modern life-processed foods, lack of sleep, pollution, and constant stress. This fire is a primary driver of almost every major disease and accelerates the aging process. This is where ginger makes its grand entrance. It's not just a spice, it's a pharmacy. The star compound is gingerol. Gingerol is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Let's break that down. As an antioxidant, it actively seeks out and neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells, DNA, and lead to wrinkles and disease. Now, let's add our second hero, raw honey. Not the clear, processed liquid in a bear-shaped bottle. Raw honey is packed with polyphenols and flavonoids, which are also potent It's also a natural antibacterial and contains unique enzymes that support gut health. The magic is in their synergy. The potent anti-inflammatory action of ginger, combined with the nutrient-soothing properties of honey, creates a compound effect. It's a 1-2 punch against inflammation and cellular stress. Perfection lies in the process. This isn't just about mixing ingredients. It's a mindful ritual that honors your body. Let's master it together! Step 1. Ingredient selection is key. For ginger, choose a firm, heavy root with smooth, thin skin. Pro tip: if you're using organic ginger, don't bother peeling it. The skin is perfectly edible and contains beneficial nutrients. Simply give it a good scrub. If it's not organic, it's best to peel it thinly. For honey, the word you must look for is raw and unfiltered. This means it hasn't been heated, preserving its living enzymes like diastase and invertase, which aid Bonus tip: want to test if your honey is pure? Drop a spoonful into a glass of water. Pure, dense honey will sink to the bottom as a solid lump. Processed or adulterated honey will start to dissolve immediately. Level up. For extra antibacterial power, consider using Manuka honey. For potential allergy support, some people swear by using local raw honey from your area. Step 2. The perfect infusion. How you prepare the ginger matters. Grating it will give you the most potent, spicy flavor and a quick infusion. Slicing it will result in a milder, smoother taste. Crushing it with the side of a knife is a happy medium. Pro tip for busy people: don't have time to prepare ginger every morning? Grate a large batch of fresh ginger. Pack it into an ice cube tray, top with a little water, and freeze. You'll have perfect, pre-portioned ginger cubes ready to go. Step 3. The critical temperature and steeping. Now, the most important part: heat your water to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. A simple way to do this without a thermometer is to bring the water to a boil and then let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Crucial tip: once you pour the hot water over your ginger, cover your mug with a small plate. This traps the volatile essential oils, the aromatic compounds that carry many of the benefits, preventing them from escaping with the steam. Let it steep for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Step 4. The golden finale and the ritual. Uncover your mug and take a moment to inhale the beautiful aroma. Now, stir in your raw honey. When to drink? The timing changes the benefit. Drinking it on an empty stomach in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and digestion for the day. Drinking it in the evening can be incredibly soothing and help prepare your body for a restful night as sleep. The final touch: before you take your first sip, hold the warm mug in your hands. Close your eyes. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. As you stir, set an intention. It could be a single word: health, peace, energy. You are transforming a simple drink into a powerful act of self-care and mindfulness. This isn't an overnight miracle. It's a cumulative effect. Here is a realistic timeline of what you can expect. the first 7 days. The most immediate effect you'll notice is in your digestion. Ginger is a carminative, meaning it helps prevent gas and soothes the intestinal tract. You'll feel less bloated after meals and more regular. Weeks 2 to 4. The anti-inflammatory effects begin to manifest externally. You might notice your skin looks less red and more even-toned. That inner glow people talk about, it's the result of reduced systemic inflammation. You may also feel less joint stiffness in the morning. Months 1, 2, 3. Now we're talking long-term benefits. Your immune system, much of which resides in your gut, is now stronger. You may find you're catching fewer colds. The consistent antioxidant intake helps protect your body on a daily basis, leading to more sustained energy levels throughout the day. Your body, your ritual. Let's customize it. For a detox and vitamin C boost, add a thick slice of fresh lemon after the water has cooled slightly. It aids liver function and adds a powerful dose of vitamin C. To balance blood sugar, add a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. It's known to help improve insulin sensitivity and adds a wonderful, warming flavor. For an anti-inflammatory supercharge, add a pinch of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. The piperine in black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin from turmeric by up to 2,000%, creating the ultimate anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Nature has the answers. We just need to learn how to listen and create the rituals to receive them. This 10-minute practice is more than a health hack. It's a daily act of devotion to your own well-being. It's a promise you make to yourself each morning. If this journey resonated with you and you're ready to explore more ancient wisdom backed by modern science, subscribe to GlowRoot Rituals. We share new rituals every single week. Let's heal and grow together. Thank you for your time. See you in the next one.